Hello everyone, my name is Srikanth. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back SCCM to Intune migration series. In previous video, we built our Active Directory domain controller and prepared environment for the configuration manager. And today's video will build MECM application server. Further, these are the few steps we are following one by one. First, we'll create the virtual machine. Then we'll install the server operating system. Then after that, we'll install the VirtualBox. Okay, drivers, then same thing like same basic configurations will do. Okay, by the end of this series, by the end of this video, we'll completely finish all required prerequisites for the SCM application. Okay, these are the steps one by one we'll do that. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let me open the VirtualBox. Okay, this is the domain controller. Now everything is completely installed in previous video. Now before I think we earlier we provided the 4 GB RAM. Okay, 4.5 GB RAM I think. Okay, now we'll try to reduce the RAM because there isn't any configurations we are doing here right now, so that the remaining memory we can use it for the SCM application. Okay, I set to 2 GB. Now let's start the Active Directory. Meanwhile, while it is loading, we'll try to create the another virtual machine for the application server. Okay, let me minimize this one. Go to create new, here primary site. Let's select the folder where you want to store these virtual machines. D drive, MECM lab. Okay, let's select the ISO file, server ISO file. Okay, this is the server ISO file. Now uncheck this box. Select the memory. Here I'm selecting the same. Okay, let me select the 6 CP because we need to install multiple things. Okay, now I'm giving hard disk as well. Let me give that. Click finish. Now virtual machine is created. Now next step is we need to install the server. Like let's see. Let's get started. We start the virtual machine. Same basic things. Okay, click on next. Install. Select the second option here. Graphical environment. Make sure that. Click next. Okay, I accept that. Click next. Select the custom. Click next here as well. Drive. Okay. Same, it will take some time. Okay. In between same it will get rebooted as well. Okay, it will automatically start installing, resume the installation from where it left. Okay, still it is installing 65%. Let's wait. OS installation is almost finished now. Okay, it's getting rebooted. Once the installation is done, same thing, basic things we need to do, change the host name, changing the host name and firewalls and IP settings, everything we need to change. We'll do one by one, and also we need to join this app MECM server to domain. Like yesterday we last class we installed the domain controller, right? Same way we need to join this device MECM server to the domain. We'll do that. Now server is up. Let me provide the password. Enter the password. Now we'll install the VirtualBox. Okay, additions like these drivers we need to install. Okay, let me do the install that drivers first. Before that we need to mount that ISO file. Okay, drivers ISO file, we need to mount it. Go to devices, then click on this one. It will get mounted here in the virtual machine. Okay, let me open this. Install the 64-bit file. Click next. Basic things, like no need to change anything, just go with the default settings and install the drivers. I will do a reboot later. Okay, maybe this application server need to reboot multiple times. Okay, let's see, I will do the reboot later. Now we need to configure the IPs and firewalls. Okay, let me do that. And we need to change the host name as well. Go to the local server. Let me change the host name first. PRI primary site. Okay, one. Okay, host name is changed. Close this. Okay, reboot now. Once it's got rebooted, then we need to do the remaining things. We need to join to the domain, and we need to change verify the firewall settings and all. Meanwhile, let's check that Active Directory virtual machine is up and running. Okay, it is up and running. Let me open the Active Directory. Okay, okay, let's log into the Active Directory as well. Now, application server came back. Let me log into the server. Let's go with the full screen. Go to view, full screen. Okay, why it is not came? Okay, let's see. Let's wait. Okay, it came automatically. Now let's open the server manager again and go to the local server. Now hostname we changed. Okay, we need to verify the firewalls. Okay, let's turn on the firewalls. but in the production, we need to open firewalls will be on. Just we need to enable the required firewall ports. Okay, let me turn off these things. Okay, that is done. Now let's change the IP settings as well. Same thing, go to properties, disable IPv6, double click on the IPv4, change the IP. Okay, 10 dot 10 dot 10 dot 10 dot. For Active Directory, we provided IP address as a 1. For this one, I'm providing 2. Okay, just click on the tab, it will automatically select the subnet mask. Now here the domain, okay, DNS. Okay, just we need to provide the same DNS server name, IP address. Okay, 10 dot 10 dot not 1. This is the domain. Okay, DNS server IP address. Click OK. Once that is done, we need to verify that whether these Active Directory domain DC01 and primary site both are communicating or not. Okay, let's open the command prompt. Let's just we need to ping the server. What is the IP for the domain controller? That is 10 dot 10 dot 10 dot 1. Okay, it is not pinging. Let's see why it is not pinging. We need to verify the adapter settings in again in the Active Directory as well. Let's see. Go with the full screen again. Okay, firewalls are good. Let me check that IP as well. Properties. Everything looks good here. Click OK, close. Go to the application server, primary site. Verify it again. Go to properties. IPv4 dot 10 dot 2 10 dot 10 dot 1. Okay, is good here. Let me check the firewalls again here. Off, everything is off. Why we are not able to ping? Let me check from the domain controller whether we can able to ping the primary site. Okay, here also something issue is there. Let me check. Okay, now we can able to see that domain controller, we can able to ping it from the primary site, and also same way we can able to ping domain controller as well. Okay, here what are the like a little bit settings I changed. Okay, then only after that only I can able to ping. What are the settings I changed? Okay, first I turn off the both primary site and the domain controller virtual machines. Then after that I open the settings here. Just go to the network. Earlier it was the NAT will be there. Okay, we need to change to host only adapter. Okay, for the both virtual machines I changed to host only. Okay, once that is done, immediately it is started communicating between the both. Okay, host only, both we need to select as a host only. During the installation also you can directly select the host, not the NAT. Okay, now both device we can able to ping. Okay, now we need to join this MECM application to the domain. Okay, let's see how we can do that. Okay, go to local server. Now click on the host name here. change, click on the domain. Our domain name is MECM lab.com. Click OK. Here, if everything is fine, like communication is happening between the primary site and domain controller, then only we can able to see this prompt. Otherwise, we cannot able to see this prompt. It will throw an error. Okay, let's give the details. What was the password? Okay, password incorrect. Let me try it again. Okay, now see. Welcome to MECMlab.com. Okay, now primary site is like application server is added to the domain. Once it is done, like we need to reboot the server and we need to log in with the domain account. Okay, click on OK. Let me restart now. Once it is restarted, again we need to verify the things like see here. Now we rename the server as well and we join the domain. Okay, up to step 8 we did. Okay, now the ninth step is for post verification. Like we need to verify the network adapter settings and the firewall status as well. Once that is done, we'll install the required prerequisites like features, IIS and all. Okay, bits, वगैरह. Let's log into the application server. Go to other user here in the bottom left. Click on other user. See here, sign into MECM lab. Just provide the MECM lab pass. Okay. Now immediately it is logged in with the domain account. Now we'll verify the post report settings. Okay, let's open the server manager again. Local server. Now you can it will change. See here mecmlab.com. Okay, now let's verify the firewall settings again. If any new firewalls came. Okay, nothing came. Let's check the IP settings as well. Properties. Okay, nothing changed. Everything is good. Okay, click OK. Close. Now what we need to do here is we have the primary site PRI hostname is ready. Now let's install the required features. Okay, go to dashboard and click on the add roles and features. Click next. Click next. Next. Here we need to install the IIS. Okay, add features. Click next here. And also we need bits as well. Click and add. And also we need we need one more thing, remote differential service. Okay, this one also we need. RDC we selected. Let's see anything else we needed here. Okay, nothing else. If anything missing also, like during the SCCM installation, like it will throw an error. Okay, we'll come back again and we'll verify. Okay, for now Let's go with these things. Click next. Next. Here, few more things we need to select under the IIS. WMI WMI compatibility, one thing will be there. Let me select that where it is. Okay, IIS management, WMI. Okay, this one also we need. We are not selected this one. It will throw an error for the distribution things. Okay, let's see anything else we need required. Remaining things are it will select automatically. Okay, that's it. Click on next. Okay, click this checkbox. Click yes. Click install. Okay, it will take some time. Let's wait. Meanwhile, while it is installing, we'll try to create the shared folder because we need to install the remaining things, right? We need to provide the system management container folder permissions as well. We'll do that. Okay. Meanwhile, while installing here, let's go to the Active Directory. Yesterday, like last class, we created the system management container, right? There we need to provide the permissions for the primary site application, like a host name. Okay. Let me go to ADSI edit, open the system, go to properties for the system management container, go to security, we click on add here. Our primary site host name is PRI1. Click on check names. Okay, I think here in the object type we need to select the computer. Select the computer, click OK. Click check names here. See, it got resolved. Click OK. Now we need to provide the full permissions. Click apply. Then go to advanced. Okay, here also this is the primary site host name. Just double click on it. Select the second option. Click OK. Apply. Okay, that's it. And also one more thing, we can able to verify that under that Active Directory OUs, we can able to see this Active Directory like primary site host name. Okay, go to Active Directory users and computers. Expand this. Expand the computers. See here, we have one device is added. That is a primary site. Okay. In the going forward, we'll create the one more device for the one or two devices for the Windows 11. We'll add the domain. Okay, then we can able to see these those device as well here. Okay, let's see. Let's go to the primary site. Let's see the installation status. Still installation is going on. Meanwhile, installation is going on. We'll do one more thing. Go to, I think installation is success. Okay, let's click on close. Now what we need to do here is we need to add the share folders. Go to the devices share folders. Click on that. Okay, click on the plus symbol here. Click on the others, select the share folders, navigate where we showed earlier, select the softwares, click auto mount. Okay, okay, let's open the file explorer because we need to copy the setup files to the primary site. Okay, in the first video we downloaded the all prerequisites, right? SQL, ADK, everything we downloaded, SM application server, everything we downloaded. Okay, these things we need to copy to the primary site. Okay, let me copy one by one. First we'll copy the SQL server. Okay, let me create any folder here as well. and ADK WinPE also needed. Okay, and this is the SCCM application, main application server, and we need SSMS as well. Okay, virtual C++ as well. Okay, that's it. Let's copy everything to the local virtual machine application server. See, now system management container permissions also we added. Okay, now we need to install the SQL and SSMS and ADK. Okay, let's go to SQL. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to right click on the ISO file and we need to right click and click on mount. Okay, once that is done, we can able to see this here. Okay, just click on the setup file, right click, run as administrator. Okay, click on the installation. Okay, click on the new standalone. Okay, first one. In the production, we might have the different service account, SQL service account, SCM application service account. Okay, depending on that, we need to select that service accounts during this SQL installation as well. But in the lab, we are using the single account. Okay, we'll go with the same thing. Okay, let's click on the next. I don't have any like license here. I'm going with free edition. Let's click on the next. Click accept. Click next. Okay, I'm not selecting anything. Click next here. Okay, it is not connected to the network. Okay, let's click on the next here. We will check it later. Updates. Okay, let's see. Click next. Select the first one. Okay, click next here. Like in the production, if it is required, you can select the different locations. Okay, let's see. Now it is lab, right? We have only single drive. Okay, everything we are installing in the C drive only. Okay, click next here. Okay, I'm going with the default instance. Click next. Okay, here I am referring here like in the production we might have different service account, but we have here single service account, right? I'm selecting that only. Click on automatic, change the account here. Administrator, let's give the password. Okay, click next here. Okay, click on add a user. Okay, click on I think current user. Okay, if you don't have any current user, you can add, if you want, you can add the different users as well. Okay, click next here. You can see that what are the options you selected. You can able to select anything. Okay, click next here. This installation will take some time. We'll wait and watch. So now almost installation is completed. Let's close it. Now we need to install the ADK. SSMS I will tell you like in the next video, because SSMS is the new version. SSMS the installation is somewhat different from the older version. SSMS will install like Visual Studio installer like Vagara, like it will install differently. I will show you in the next video. For now, we'll try to install the ADK. Okay, let's go to the softwares. ADK. Okay, click on that ADK setup. Okay, where you want to install. Okay, click next. Next. Click next. Here we need few things. Okay, we don't want this one. Configuration designer. Okay, these things no need. If anything required, like we'll install it later as well. During the SCCM application installation, it will throw an error. Okay. Okay. Now ADK is installed. Let's install the WinPE as well. Okay. Just click on next. Next. Accept. Okay. Here everything is selected. Click next. Okay. This is the last step for this video. Thanks for watching the video. In this video, like our SCCM application server is now fully prepared and for all prerequisites has been installed. Okay, except only SSMS is pending. I will continue that step in the next video, and also will install the SCCM application current branch application in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.